guys here. I'm back with another video. December, my first video in December. Try to post every day. December for sure. So, going on a bike ride. Yeah, with my friend. Bike trails, and then yeah. I'll see you guys when we're there. Car. So.
We were riding upstairs earlier, man. I
Yeah.
got hurt.
So
this is our first trail.
Okay. You're the demonstrator.
All right. Try to do it.
Great.
Ride from here. And it's gonna be straight out me.
Oh, you're gonna brake at that part and then send it. Look at him go. On my sister's bike. Where'd he go? With my friend. That's how it's done. Wait. But yeah. I go next? Yeah.
Yeah. That was a smooth one.
Yeah, that's how it's done. Gotta bike up this hill now. Just got up the hill. Too lazy. So yeah.
Bike trails around here.
Yeah.
Where's the bike at? That's the next place. All we're gonna do is get straight into it. Let's go ahead and just a little bit. Oh, you almost slipped there. You good? Oh, stop braking. I'll catch up.
So. Are those a mountain? No. Wait, should we go to the bamboo?
Yeah, hold this. Chain the camera in.
Got rear thin. Wait, hold on. Do that again. So yeah, we just cruising and cruising. No hands. Got got Timothy. Where should we? Are we going down this hill?
No. Right car.
Oh, I hate these stupid cars. Oh. Ski! Oh, this driveway's so smooth. I love smooth driveways. Timothy Thompson car.
Mine's Clavius, actually.
Yeah. I don't even think we should go down the hill for sure. Cause that man. See, imagine.
Oh, I wish that was GoPro. Oh, no, like that way. Yeah, GoPros would be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, the cameraman's struggling a little here. I'm be on the right side.
Okay, you're hunchback.
I'm a big back. It's hard to keep up with that, man. It's some cool background music.
So, he gonna do? Do a wheelie! My hands are freezing. Oh, I'm not trying to go down that. Gotta. Oh, he's going down it. Oh, there's another phone. You guys, okay. So, we're about to go back down this hill. Hold on. Crap. So,
As I'm going down. Sorry, I can't follow him right now. Actually, yes, I can. Sorry for the delay. Whoa. Whoa, who's dropped the phone? Go, Mike. Come on, man. Why is my back wheel going up? Alright, come up here.
the Quavians.
Ah! That was him.
Crap.
Hey, who the crap farted? Who the crap farted?
Farted. So, I hate this hill.
Yeah, it's over there. It gives you good speed.
It says stop, but I don't want to stop, so.
Remember Calvary can still be there.
Oh, yeah. If that's the Karen, it's car. Okay. Just saw Karen's car.
What?
Okay.
Watch him hit this hill.
My back is so cold, hot.
My arms hurt like crazy.
See him, and he's about to go. Bam! Oh my gosh, the camera quality. It's so buns. My camera quality. He's going up the hill. Yeah, that's why you call him Timothy Thompson Jr. But yeah, the third. Wait, say your name just before we end it.
Jingleberry Jaquavius Timothy Sigma Skibidi over Ohio. Go first.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do. See ya.